How's that? We'll get rid of this. Don't need that up there. Oh look, you guys can see OBS. Right there. That's OBS open. Alright. Yes, I have 2 mouses. That's my fault. Extra pieces from last time. Alright, Legos. Boom. Look at that guy. That's what we're making. This extreme guy looks a lot happier than the last guy. Look at him. Looks nicer, yes? Good. I was hoping. You should be able to see better. So. I still don't know how to open these boxes. I'm just popping the back off. Oh, right there. There's a thing right here. Just press thumb. Ta-da. And you dump it all out. That's everything. You take the box. You chuck it over there. Awesome. There's a lot of orange in this one. I like orange. Orange is one of my favorite colors. I wouldn't say favorite. But I like it more than like green, for example. Let's just put that there. That's fine. And yeah, dump it all out. Oh, I love it. All right, more stickers. We're number 46 apparently. The plane is number 27, I believe. Yeah, 27. So I don't know how many of these there are, but whatever. Let's do some of this without looking at the instructions. Let's just like start popping stuff in tires. Like I'm pretty sure these go with the tires. I don't need a book to tell me that. It says ages 6 to 12 or 5 to 12, whatever. I can handle it. There. Ta-da! 4 wheels, done. This looks like the base of things. Should we just try to freestyle this whole thing? We could do that. What do you think? No instructions. Wouldn't that be something? Also, did this update? Let me see here. Just make sure this is working. It says I'm streaming City Skyline still. Update, please. Love this music, man. IRL, there we go. Alright. So, should we try to do this without instructions? It might be kind of difficult. Alright. Bum bum ba dum dum. Where's the guy? Here's his head. Or his body. There's the head. Put a little helmet on him. There you go. You're missing your legs, dude. I don't know if this guy came with legs. That's not good. Oh, there they are. I found them. Legs. Ta-da! It's Lego time, yeah. City Skylines wasn't working, so we had to switch over to Legos again. If you didn't see the first one, here you go. You can see the plane that we made. Pretty sweet. Like it a lot. And now we're building a cool like off-road truck thing. This should be fun. Here, do we need more light on this? I could turn this light on too. That's a little better. Alright. So, to start, just like I thought, we're going to start with this thing. We're going to flip it over. And we're gonna put a red piece there. One red piece. Next, grab this, put it kind of like that. And this piece, I guess, like that. What is this? There we go. So before I was asking people what their favorite set, like, series was when they were growing up. I always liked the Cities sets. That's why I chose this one. But some people were saying they don't remember the sets that they had. So I offered up the ones that I could remember, which were obviously the City sets. There was, I want to say witches, but it might have been just like magic in general. I don't remember exactly. But I remember there being witches in the set. There's like potions and things. And then there was like generic adventure ones, which were, they had like the traps and things, from what I remember. Let's go up here. There we go. So we got the axles on there. That's good. It's good to have axles on a car. Helps your wheels not fall off. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Little orange bar. It's probably for safety, I'm guessing. Put that there. This camera doesn't autofocus like I thought it did. It's like really focused right here. There should be, there it is, other piece. Okay, it's looking good. I have a feeling this is gonna go a lot faster than the airplane. I'm like warmed up now. I remember how to build Legos. Should be pretty quick. Uh-oh. I say that, and now it's sticker time. Alright, so we're putting the little side stickers on. $46. Extreme. See if we can do this. Nope. Nope. It's so bad. It's so bad. Don't do that. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Worked out okay. So we put one of these on each side. There we go. And we'll do the other sticker. Defeated 3 Crowlers. Were they all playing the Ancient Gear deck? Cannot get the sticker on here. Like this. Ancient Golems, yeah. That my deck is really good. Oh, that was terrible. Don't do that. There we go. Oh, it's terrible. No. Oh, Jed, peel it off. Come on, just work. Why am I so bad at putting stickers on? Okay, you know what? That's fine. I'm fine with that. Whatever. Done. There. Okay. Stickers are on. Gotta put this on. Little steering wheel. Goes right there. And then another big block. Boom. I guess that's the engine, probably. Get one of these on the back. It's for like a license plate, I guess, something like that. A little orange bit, and then a bunch of these. We have 7 of these little like megaphones, and they go in the back. I guess they're supposed to, maybe that's supposed to be the engine on the back. And these are like cylinders or exposed exhaust or something. I don't know. It's interesting. Anyway, those go there. Put a white piece here. Another white piece here. It's looking pretty good. And then cover. Or, oh, these are like the wheels, so those are supposed to be shocks, I guess. So we put these covers, wheel covers, not fake covers, wheel covers. The dad jokes are strong. I'm just gonna put the wheels on now. I don't care. Whee! It's looking pretty good. That's there. Uh-oh, more stickers. What does it say? Smooth Racing Oil. I guess that's our sponsor. Smooth Racing Oil. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see if we can get these on. Luckily, it's an orange sticker on an orange piece, so you won't be able to tell too bad if I mess it up. And actually, that one turned out really well. That's pretty nice. That goes there. I'll put it right there so you can kind of see it. Another Smooth Racing Oil one. We could only get one sponsor for this truck, and that's Smooth Racing Oil. So remember, if you plan on racing, use Smooth Racing Oil. Hashtag ad. Hashtag sponsored. There we go. Looks pretty good. Okay, so that's that. We got more of these things. So we ended up with 8 of these air horns because that's all of our suspension, our air horns. So these go here. We'll put them here as well. There we go. How's that? Looks pretty good. I kind of like to bend them in, if you can see. They have little handles. So it says to keep them out, but I kind of like them bent in. I think it kind of looks cool that way. I don't know what it does to the suspension. Maybe it makes it a little like firmer suspension. I don't know. Oops. I just knocked over our guy. Sorry about that, bro. There you go. A couple angle pieces, which go like this. Okay. That looks pretty good. Then we put a red piece. Then we put another license plate thing on the front. There we go. Now we start putting things on the back. I'm guessing this is for... I don't know what this is for actually. Some kind of mount or something? I don't know. And then another red piece. Oh, more stickers, right? Or no, these just have slits in them. Alright. So that goes like that. Beautiful. Put an orange piece there, and then slide these on the back. Whoop, just popped the orange piece off. There. That gives us a nice streamlined back look. Probably helps with air resistance or something. That's why it's ridged right here. Kind of ridged. It's looking pretty good. I like it. Wonder how many horses this thing's got. Can't find the piece I'm looking for. There it is. So this goes here. Just like that. Alright. And now we put this little roll bar on top, because you know this thing is gonna roll over. I mean, it's super top heavy. You're going over dirt, you're going over little hills and things. You're gonna roll it. So it's good to have the roll bar on there for safety. Put this thing? Yeah, I guess this piece goes on the back here with a little like white license plate. Looks cool, I guess. It's weird, in the book this black piece is gray. I keep thinking I'm putting a wrong piece there, but there's no other pieces, so it must be right. Alright, so put the lights on. It's always nice to indicate that you're stopping or turning. I don't know what these are. Oh, that must be the exhaust. There we go. Dual exhaust. That's what exhaust sounds like. Oh, and now it tells me to put the license plate number on. Jeez, come on. It's like the tiniest little sticker. BE60146. That's the license plate number, in case you were wondering. Look how tiny this is. Actually, that was pretty good. Worked out. Just put that on the back. There we go. I put the windscreen on, or the windshield, depending on where you're from. And we put... Huh? It says to put 2 black dots on? No, I think that's just part of it. Yeah, I think that was already there. Put these wheel covers over here. Nice, I like that. Alright. And then we put scoops on the front. Again, for air resistance. Kind of thing. Looks good on there. Little Nega scoop there. It's like for front exhaust, I guess. That's kind of cool. And then, oh, more stickers, of course, because you didn't tell me to put them on. Alright, whatever. It's just one sticker. If I can get the sticker off. There we go. Alright, so this goes on the left side. Look at that. Pro application right there. Beautiful. Alright. Little orange bits complete the hood on the front. There we go. Hood is complete. And what is this? Oh, building the front grille. So put white lights. A grill. And this thing. Looks pretty good. Oh, and then the yellow lights go on front. There you go. I was wondering. Oh, that's not a yellow light there. Ah! I did it wrong. Uh-oh. Don't lose pieces. That was supposed to be a white light there. Alright. There we go. Ta-da! Front's done. Well, at least I think the front's done. So we got a little roof piece, which goes kind of like sits on the top there. It's not really on there very well. You got a little hood sticker. Sorry, a decal. These are fancy pro application decals, not stickers. Very tough to do. I was trying to show you, but it's too hard to show you. I think that worked out okay. See, the back of this roof, though, isn't actually connected to anything. It's just floating there. I think it's kind of weird. Alright, now we're making something else. We get this. And this. Not quite sure what this is, but we're gonna do it. And we're gonna put the last sticker on this thing. Oh, that was like a perfect placement on that sticker. Beautiful. Oh, this goes up here, I guess. There, little spoiler. Perfect. Pop the wheels on. There we go. Finished. I gotta get the guy in now. Rip the hood off, or the roof off. Pop him right in there. Oh, he's so excited. Oh my gosh, I get to drive a car. Ta-da. We did it. Here's all the leftover pieces. Oh, I didn't put a visor on him. Should probably put a visor on. He's got a windscreen, but still. It's good to have the visor on, just in case. Just in case he gets flown from the car or something. Here we go. Put the roof back on. Ta-da! So now we got the truck thing, and we got the plane. Put them next to each other. Just like that. Alright. So we still have like an hour left. Put that over there. Is there anything you guys would like to see